Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Mont Blanc sunglasses, model MB0006S in color code 004. The color of the frame is yellow. On the temples are protective bags to make sure the glasses don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are rectangular shape and the lenses are blue. On its top left lens, you'll find the Mont Blanc logo engraved. On its inner right temple is the Mont Blanc logo that is made in Italy and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 52 is for its lens, 20 is for its bridge, and 150 is for its temples. The glasses also come with the Mont Blanc case, a Mont Blanc cleaning cloth, a Mont Blanc envelope which holds a manufacturer booklet, its manufacturer's carrying, and a Mont Blanc authenticity card. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.